Right, good morning everyone. I just want to take our opportunity to just video tape um, what Forex industry is all about through IMarket Live company, which is an educational platform that teaches people how to win in the Forex market. Currently here it is, I'm about to enter trade under the AUD USA, and on the 4-hour chart. H4 means the 4-hour chart. Now here it is that what based on the indication, based on how the market is going, we anticipate right about now that the market is going up on a buy. Right, we actually is trading each country economy, the strength and the weakness of a particular current country. And presently the chart is indicating on the Australian dollar, the AUD, we anticipate just for this particular time frame that it is going on a buy. Right, I set it for the 4-hour chart that indicate then between 4 hours plus, right, this particular currency could strengthen, the economy could strengthen against the US dollar. That means the US dollar is beginning to be weakened, or the economy will begin to be weakened at this particular time period. Right, as you can indicate, the time below here, the time is 10:56 a.m. Is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's to everyone, couples, etc. And I'm just going and take the opportunity just to go on a brief buy to indicate to you all how you can make money on the Forex market. Right, now once I enter a particular trade, what my bank or my brokers does is charge a particular commission that you will see coming up here. So once every time I enter a trade, I will be in the negatives because I have to first pay off my loan to the banker or the broker before I make any profits whatsoever. Our job here is to anticipate the market flow. As you can see on a general idea, the Australian dollar is on a downside, which is a sell, but just for this particular period, indicating that it is going up on a particular buy, just for this particular bar. And once you understand the education behind the scenes, you could purchase buy, which is up, or sell, which is down. Right, so I'm going to place an order here. Again, this is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. I'm not going to put in no stop loss, which is a security mechanism. I'm not going to put in no take profit, which is what I anticipate to come out of the market. This video tutorial is just to show that how it is you can make money in the Forex market, and I will come out instantly when I'm recognized that I am in profits. Remember and take into consideration, you always begins on a negative note, but you're anticipating that the market will be going to your particular side once you understand the requirements that is needed for you to make the particular trade. So I'm going to dive in right about now. I anticipate that the green bar is going on a buy, so I'm going to press buy market. It sends me right in to the market. So as you can see here, guys, here I start off with a negative. Right, I'm going up top. Overall, you're seeing the fluctuation because buyers and sellers in the market presently is buying, just like I am buying, and also there are sellers who are also selling. So you will always see the forces and the fluctuation back and forth. But overall, for this particular time frame, I am anticipating a buy. So we just wait a little bit to see if it will remove from the selling and go more into a buy, but it's quite natural to see the fluctuation of the money. It's nothing to be scared of once you begin to understand and educate yourself the direction of the flow of that particular currency economic stand position. That doesn't mean that you have to know everything that is going on with the economy of Australia. What you need to know is also the flow of how each economy is going based on the charts that we have here, right? And you make your anticipation. One of the things that is important pertaining to trading is major news events. Like for example, if we are trading the Trinidadian currency, right? Now Trinidadian currency is very weak. It's not considered to be a major currency that is to be traded on the Forex market. But if for some reason we are trading the Trinidad currency, right, and our Minister of Finance, Mr. Elbert, came on the platform and talk a lot of nonsense, that means that a lot of investors who is invested on Trinidad economy can pull out their investment drastically, and that could cause the Trinidadian dollar to fall, right? Now if he speaks of good things about Trinidad economy, that could cause the currency to strengthen in that case. So these are little factors that we have to look into time after time again. We also have a website that the company indicate to us where it is that we can look at these things, right? So far, if you look, I am in profit and sometimes I'm in negative, but it's still going more on a buy, as you can see the fluctuation. Now I have my main profit, which is 65 cents and fluctuating, and the brokerage or the bank account is charging me 27 cents commission that I have to first pay the bank that particular commission. So my total amount or my true profit will be on the bold figure, which is minus 1 point, and it fluctuating. So right now I'm in a bit of a negative zone because I have more people anticipating that the market is going on a sell more rather than a buy. But this particular trade that I've took it under the 4-hour chart, the H4 chart, meaning of I'm leaving this trade to run for a period of time because I anticipate between now and 4 hours plus that I can make a certain amount of profits. In this video tutorial, I did not put in any take profit and I did not put in any stop loss. Like for example, right about now presently, the trade is going against me. So if I can put a stop loss just under that particular just under this. Like for example, I'll give an example. I'm going to put a line. I could put a stop loss right here because I anticipate that this currency is going on a buy, but for some reason or the other, if it go on a reverse and it touch this particular line, this line could be my stop loss and it takes me out the trade. In other words, it protect my remaining money in my bank account or my brokerage account, right? I'm going to put a next line here. I can anticipate based on information data that the Australian dollar could reach as far as up here or strengthen as up here before it make a fall again. So this blue line here could be my TP, or known as take profit. right? So I could plug in this information here. Like for example, let me do it by the meantime to show you all guys here. I'm just using this line to take the value of this particular line. I go back into place order. I want to modify the order, and this is stop loss to protect me from losing all my money, and I can paste that in and I press modify. You all will know this as the time goes by, right? I place the order, and if you look at the SL means stop loss, right? I'm going to plug in the take profit here now, and I click here, highlight, copy this value here, open back the order form, right? Under modify order, I paste it in under take profit and click modify, and that simply means that as the bar decides to go up and touch, I anticipate that it's going to touch this. Once it goes up and touch that, it takes me out the trade with profits. Normally, if I didn't put any stop take profit, and let me say that the bar decided, let's say that the bar decided, this green bar decided to go up more, right? I can make more money, but seeing that I've put a cut-off point for my take profit, it takes me out the trade as well. So this is the basic things. Right now I am in $3.30 something cents profit, and it minus the 27 cents, so I am making $3.80 something cents. This is USA, people, right? And as I say, I anticipate that it's going on a buy, and it is going on a buy slowly. The beauty about this business is that once you get to understand it, you don't need to sit down here wholly and watch just boring chart, because I find that it is boring. But one of the things I can say is making money, right? Even though it's boring, I need to learn some basic principles to make money while I still do my landscaping work, to make money while it is that I could probably doing a course in school, to make money while it is I am seeing about the kids while I am home, or to make money while I'm shopping around, right? Once you understand, and I'm saying this with confidence, and you see I am correct because I anticipated before I enter in that it is going on a buy. $6 multiplied by, let me say, $6 TT, $6, 6 is at 36, that is $36 TT I make so far. Is not much right about now, but if I anticipate that running for 4 hours, I mean to say that it can make a lot of money. So I'm going to come out the trade here. I'm almost in $10, but this is a video tutorial to show with confidence that you can win, you can make money on the Forex market while you are on your job. Take a tea break, take your lunch, during your lunch break, even during at home, right? You could choose the necessary time that can work for you, right? Don't be like a slave master behind this to try to make money. The idea is that once you understand the education behind it, you can, right? So I'm just decided to show this tutorial, right? As I'm going to come out of the market right now with $10 US or $60 TT just for a few minutes. Thank you.